I brought a cantata that we used to sing. And it was indicative of the kind of education that it wasn't just Yiddish education, but it was something that put you in touch with other peoples at the same time. So the orientation was not just that you were a Jew, but you had in common with other immigrant groups a lot of commonality. And the key of this particular cantata was called, the name of it was Mir Boyen a Land, we are building a land. And it had to do with literally immigration of different peoples to this country. And I just remember the tune. I mean, I just remember the song, you know, like, Sie sind geworden, unser Land von Ausländer von zwei. Der erste is Columbus, der zweite is Cartier. So it's like, this is just one stanza. So the land was discovered by Columbus, it was discovered by strangers. One was Columbus, the other was Cartier. And then there was a chorus, which was also significant. Man hat dem Fremden aufgenommen, gegeben ihm die Hand, weil schnechten ist bei jederer fremd gewesen do in dem Land. I may be singing the second, the men's part, but not the melody, because we we had harmony. But the essence of what I just sang is, we welcomed, men hat dem Fremden aufgenommen, we welcomed strangers. We gave him our hand, gegeben ihm die Hand, weil schnechten ist bei, because yesterday everyone was a stranger in this land. Now this was pretty much indicative of the kind of education that I kind of was steeped in, that had to do with acceptance and being in solidarity with other immigrant groups and also other oppressed groups as well. Because so the orientation, you know, it wasn't like we were being politicized in a way that was very blatant. It was a very sound and very healthy outlook of what it means to be a Jew. And what it means to be a Jew is to work for social justice, to work for equality, to work for peace. Those are the themes that persisted in me, and a lot of it came from Yiddish schools, because it wasn't taught in public schools, obviously. So we were way ahead of the curve when later on those became the big issues.